what does it mean to reseal or reseal a grant?
So that's where you've got, you might have a grant, and we get a lot of town agency work from other law firms. It might be where you get a grant where there are assets in WA, but to deal with real property, real estate in another jurisdiction,
Gotcha.
you might need to get the court over there to reseal it. So there's an application process that goes on with that. It's not as onerous as the originating application, but it's still. So and in Australia it's not so bad, but I've had estates where we're resealing in 3 or 4 different jurisdictions across the globe. It's easy to reseal a grant in the UK, but it's a pain in the neck resealing it in Germany, or we've got one in the Cayman Islands, we've got one resealing in New Zealand, I've done one in Malaysia, I've done it in the Philippines. It's just, you've got to get things translated, and it's onerous. Yeah. So we usually will instruct a local solicitor over there if I'm not confident in doing the reseal, and we know the right certified people to do that. Yeah. We'll only use what they call step certified practitioners who are like specialists basically.
Yeah.